Well, hello YouTube. I know it's been a fairly long while since I've actually done a video, but here I am. I'm not dead, I promise. And my apologies for the sort of shaky cell phone camera work today. I'm not currently set up to do a full-on tripod video. But anyway, as you can see, here's my PowerBook 1400 disassembled in front of us. And down here is a very special accessory, one that will allow us to possibly, hopefully, get external video out on this. As you can see, I've already removed the blanking plate back there, and I already have it disassembled. We will need this adapter cable to adapt the PowerBook video, whatever this is named, I don't actually know, to Apple's DA15 video port. So, to start out, I will just... This installation should be relatively simple, just... slot it in like that. I probably, in theory, just slot it in and then push it down to connect it. I will do that off camera because this is going to be hard to do it one-handed. So there it is in place, and so now I just flip the computer around. There it is, and now I just need to install this little IO shield thing, and then the installation should be complete. So a little update, I was only able to get one screw in at a time, so I chose the screw that was farthest away from the connector. So this should just slot in, but I can't do that one-handed. So yeah, I'll just like put the laptop together enough to test it without hooking a monitor, just to make sure this card doesn't cause any hardware issues or compatibility issues with software or anything. I'll be right back. So I just assembled the laptop just enough to test it, which means no screws are put in. Just the I just put everything together. And this should turn on when I plug it in because no battery in the laptop. There we go. So now let's see what it says about the card. And it spit that out because it does that when it is unplugged for a period of time. It does that when there's no boot disk selected, I think. And in theory, this should work with no drivers. I think it should work with no drivers. So I'll open up System Profiler once the laptop boots, and then we can see. And as you see, I'm currently working on a novel for National Novel Writing Month. But anyway. Let's see. Let's just utilities and Apple System Profiler. This is 7.6, but I do have the updated System Profiler that shows more information. So anyway, devices and volumes. Oh, there we go. New bus card. There we go. It is detected. So in theory, I'll just shut this down. But in theory, now I should be able to plug a display into it, which I just happen to have a display right here. So here I have it powered off, and this is how I have it going. There's the display. It's an Apple multiple scan 15-inch. But anyway, now let's power it on and see what we get. Oh, and display activated. It is warming up. I have the Decorus extension installed, and I'm not sure how that will affect yeah, I'm not sure how that will affect this display, whether it will you know, display the background on just this or on both of them. It'll be interesting to see though. It does appear that the geometry of this display is a bit off. Let's see. Oh, look, there we go. Okay. Awesome. Let's see, I'm actually curious. I forget what PowerBook display. Oh, here we go. Awesome. So here we have it displaying on both monitors. Let's see, so yeah, right now I'm just adjusting the yeah, that was just me playing around with the adjustments, but yeah, this is cool. Let's bring up System Profiler again. So let's bring up the display card. And then the display. So yeah, thank you for watching. I know this was a really short video, but I just wanted to get something out, and I do plan to do a more in-depth video on this in the future, but for now, that's what I have. Thanks for watching.